Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the filter recommendations in CapCut to make your videos look cinematic. So here, what you need to do is add your video like this and add to filter. Here, I'm going to show you one of the recommendations. First, click on the scenery category and then find the Fuji filter. Okay, just swipe until you find this one. Can see now you can just adjust the filter to your liking. I'm going to go with 100. Let's see the before and after. So this is what the before look like, and this is the after you apply the filter. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.